What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and today I'm here to talk to you about a great find of ours, the Crew Bottle from Crew Bottle Company out of California. One of my favorite things about this bottle, the thing that really got me looking at it seriously, is that with the purchase of every bottle, you help remove 1 kilogram of plastic from the ocean. Crew Bottles is partnered up with Plastic Bank. I'll put links in the description for both Crew Bottle Company as well as Plastic Bank, so you can find out more technical information about these glass bottles as well as the work they're doing with Plastic Bank and how they're helping to clean up our oceans. But what I want to talk to you guys a little bit about is the way that we can use them in our homes, in our bars, and what makes them great for us. One of the first things that I love about it is they fit every standard bottle pour, so super easy to change, control, work with. It's great for juices, and what I actually first thought about using them for was infusions for different spirits. The bottoms are really easy to remove, which makes them easy to clean, easy to reuse. They're color coded, so depending on your system, you can arrange however you like to have whatever you want in them. Excuse me. I'm just going to do a citrus vodka infusion. I have some sliced oranges, some lemons, some limes. Just going to put these in here, and of course you could do whatever you want. Different herbs, different spices, rosemary, cinnamon, whatever, not together, whatever you guys want to use. And I love using a glass bottle because they're clear, and it really kind of adds a little something to the presentation, I think, when you have something like this that you can look through and swirl around. I think it's really cool. So we just take a little bit of vodka here. And we're just gonna let this infuse for a couple days. Maybe try it every couple days just to see how it's coming along. And that should be good. Now, if you want to see more about different ways to infuse spirits, just stay to the end of the video and we will link it up in the corner towards the end so you can learn more about different types of infusion, things like that. If you're looking for products that can help you upgrade your bar arsenal, basically upgrade your skills, improve your skills behind the bar, be it a home or a professional bar, go ahead and head over to barprints.co. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything you'd like me to cover in the future, just go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'll try to get to that in the days and weeks ahead. Excuse me. Also, go ahead and click the link in the description for our free ebook, the Barprints Cheat Sheet. Has some great fundamental information in there to get you started or help refresh or train people who are looking to improve their bar skills. Last but not least, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well as click the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss a new video whenever they come out. All right, guys, that's it for me. Cheers. See you in the next video.